warm air coming out. Only about 70 degrees out here right now. Just rained. Getting really good cooling right now. Just shut off. It's a Bristol reciprocating compressor, I believe. I know it's Bristol, I'm not sure if it's reciprocating or not. That's it. Disconnect. Very nice unit. Only one run capacitor in its whole life. That's all it ever had. Just one run capacitor was replaced. Well, controls both the fan and the compressor. But that's all. That's it. It's a really reliable carrier. Probably should be a half-ton bigger for the house because of the way the ductwork is and the way it's... But it works. Keeping the house around 80 right now. It could get a little lower, but grandparents don't set it that low usually. It's a good temperature anyway, so alright, that's it. Get the one more time. 2 ton. That's it. Over and out.